Welcome back to Make Money Online with Choco. If you've been following us, you've seen some exciting changes happening on this channel. Now, you might be wondering, why the shift to Forex trading? Well, it's a fascinating story I'd love to share with you. As content creators, we've explored various how to make money methods, and we've had some remarkable successes. But, we also faced a challenged time. Balancing script writing, client commitments, video editing, and all the other tasks was quite a feat. Some methods showed promise, but maintaining consistency was a struggle. From dropshipping to affiliate marketing, we ventured into a multitude of money-making avenues, and while we did see results, it often came at the expense of our time and focus. We were stretched thin across numerous income streams. Don't get me wrong, diversification is crucial in the world of finance. But it can be a double-edged sword. Our diverse content offering was demanding, and to excel in all those fields required a level of commitment we found challenging to sustain. But here's the game changer. Amid our exploration, we discovered something truly remarkable. Something that not only provided consistent returns but also harmonized perfectly with our time constraints: Forex trading. Before we dive into our exciting content, we want to set some important ground rules. Our content is for educational and informational purposes, not financial advice. We're not licensed financial advisors. Forex trading is risky, and past performance doesn't predict the future. Do your research and consult a financial professional for investments. We don't trade for others, we teach trading. We accept donations but don't manage investments. Your financial decisions are your own. Consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance. We're here to educate, but your financial outcomes are your responsibility. Our journey into Forex began as a side experiment. We saw potential in this massive financial market, where trillions of dollars change hands every day. It was a tempting prospect, but we initially approached it with caution. We dipped our toes into the Forex waters, equipped with a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to learn. What we found was astonishing: a consistent avenue for making money, one that could sustain our channel and provide value to our viewers. And this is why we're shifting our entire focus to Forex trading here at Make Money Online with Choco. It's an opportunity that allows us to share our expertise and offer you the most impactful content for your financial success. Forex trading offers a unique blend of flexibility and potential for high returns. It's a 24/5 market, allowing us to trade when it best suits our schedules. The opportunity to work from anywhere in the world is incredibly liberating. While the Forex market can be complex, it's not an insurmountable challenge. With the right education and tools, anyone can enter this space and potentially make money consistently. Now, while the channel name is currently Make Money Online with Choco, we're open to change. In fact, we invite you, our valued viewers, to suggest a new name in the comments section below. Your input matters to us, and we want to make this channel truly yours. We believe that by opening the floor to your creative ideas, we can shape a channel name that truly reflects the content and community we've built here. Your suggestions will help define our new direction. This channel is more than just content, it's a community. It's about shared knowledge and shared success. And your suggestions, not just for the channel name but also for future content, are crucial in this journey. But for now, let's dive into the core of this transformation with our 11-part series, Mastering Forex, a comprehensive guide for beginners. In this series, we'll empower you with all the knowledge and skills you need to excel in the dynamic world of Forex. We believe that education is the foundation of success in Forex. And with this series, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the market, strategies, and tools needed to thrive. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience in Forex, these episodes will guide you through the essentials and advanced concepts to elevate your trading game. Today, we kick off this educational journey with Episode 1, Introduction to Forex Trading. Our journey into Forex trading is a testament to adaptability and the pursuit of financial success while respecting our time constraints. We've found that the Forex market allows us to align our efforts with our passions, and we believe it can do the same for you. As we venture into this exciting chapter, we want to remind you that the journey isn't just about us. It's about us together. The success stories we create, the strategies we explore, and the content we craft are a reflection of this thriving community. And the future is promising. With your support and participation, we're confident that Make Money Online with Choco will continue to be your trusted source for wealth-building knowledge and opportunities. If you enjoyed this video and are excited about our journey into Forex trading, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And remember, we're here for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future episodes, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. We're listening. The Forex journey starts here, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Until next time, happy trading, and remember, your financial success is our mission. Thanks for tuning in today. Until we meet again, stay inspired, stay informed, and stay financially empowered. We'll see you in the next episode.